Hey everyone, if you'd like to try out Filmora and start creating amazing videos, check the link in my description. That's where you can download Filmora directly. Don't miss it. Welcome to this full pen tool review. I already have a map on my timeline. And above the timeline, I selected the drawing tool and chose the pen tool. Then I dragged across the screen to draw a line from one point to another, holding down my mouse to create a curved path. I added an extra stroke, and once I was done, I simply double-clicked to cut the extra off, as shown. I then went up to adjust the line by changing the color, increasing the weight for extra thickness, and tweaking the opacity and blur. You can also switch the line style from solid to dotted or dashed, depending on the look you want. After that, I selected a curved cap to give the line a smoother finish, as shown. Under Trim Path, the start and end controls let you remove or animate the line from either the beginning or the end. So I added a keyframe to the end control, set the line to 0, then moved the playhead to 4 seconds and increased the line back to maximum. After that, I previewed the animation as shown. Scrolling down, you'll find options like Offset and then Path Follow. These let you pick an object that will follow the path you drew. You can choose from presets, import from computer, or timeline. I selected presets, picked a helicopter, clicked link, and it appeared on the timeline. Then I previewed it. As you can see, the helicopter follows the path of the line. After that, I went up to add a drop shadow, then scrolled up and increased the plane size to 14 and previewed the result. You can also go up and change the line stroke using any of the preset options, adjust it below, and preview. Or simply switch back to the original solid color as shown. Lastly, using the second keyframe as a guide, I went to Effects, searched for a fire particle, dragged it above, and reduced to match the duration below as shown. Then I clicked, zoomed out, and used the X and Y position controls to move the fire to the end of the line while also reducing its opacity, as shown. Finally, I added a keyframe to zoom, set it to 0, moved the playhead forward, increased the zoom, and then previewed the result. In my previous tutorial on using the pen tool for line graph animation, I've now discovered a much faster and more efficient method to achieve the same result. Start by choosing the pen tool from the drawing options above. Then, head to the preview screen and sketch your line graph in the shape you want, just like the example shown. Next, go up to make adjustments by changing the line color to white, increase the stroke weight, then scroll down to locate the trim path option as shown. Now move the playhead to the start, apply a keyframe to the end value and set it to 0. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip, increase the end value back up, and preview the animation. Next, Hide both clips on the timeline as shown, then go up to Stock Media and drag a white color background onto the track above. Then select the white color, go up and apply a circle mask. Scroll down and set the height to 50 for a rounded shape. Then switch to the Basic tab and scale it down to 5 as shown. Now scroll down and apply a drop shadow as shown. Then right-click on the clip and convert it into a compound clip. Next, unhide the two clips below, then select only the line graph clip. Go up to the settings and scroll down to the Path Follow option as shown. In the Path Follow dropdown, choose Select from Timeline, then pick the small circle compound clip. After that, scroll down and click Link. It will automatically connect to the line graph animation. Now preview the result. As you can see, the circle now moves perfectly along the animated line. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Please remember to like and subscribe. The link to download Filmora is in the description. Have a wonderful weekend.